where to find the Dolby Atmos feature, as well as how to actually turn it on and use it. This is for the Galaxy A15 smartphone, and let's get started. There's two ways you can find the Dolby Atmos. One, use the quick panel access, pull it down 2 times until you see the toggle, which would be this one right here. If you don't see this toggle here, you'll tap on the edit icon right there, and that's going to allow you to customize the quick panel access where you can add some more toggles. And if you tap here on edit, you'll see all the extra toggles that you don't have here. Just browse over like this here and look for the Dolby Atmos and then long press it and drag it up into here. I already have mine there, so it's gonna be there, but you will long press it and bring it up here. And then once you're done, press done. And you just come out of here, and then now you can look for it anywhere in this section here, okay? So if you don't see it there and you just don't want to go through all this here, you can also use the quick panel access and then go into the settings, this icon right here. That'll take you to the main settings of your Galaxy A15 phone, and you want to go down until you see sounds and vibration. From here on now, you'll be taken to this section here, and just go down until you see the sound quality and effects right there. And once you're here now, you will see the Dolby Atmos. And if you're wondering why it's not allowing you to turn on, and for some odd reason, any Samsung phone that now has the Android 14 update, you will notice you can't use Dolby Atmos anymore unless you have a connected device. So it can be a USB-C connected device, a headphone headset connected, or a Bluetooth audio device. So notice when I plug this in now, you'll notice that the option becomes available for me to turn on. And as I turn it on, I can tap here and I can choose the usual settings here, okay, where it'll allow me to choose one of these, okay? And you also have that for the gaming itself, okay? But once you unplug that device or disconnect that Bluetooth, your Dolby Atmos will be disabled. But you can always use the equalizer without the Dolby Atmos enabled, like in sub.